Number 1. 1978 Ford F-250, $4,950, Grapeview, Washington. This 1978 Ford F-250 showcases the durability that made Ford's sixth-generation trucks popular with working buyers. Finished in orange and showing 56,000 miles, it features a recently installed Jasper 351 cubic-inch V8 with less than 150 miles of use, along with new tires. The body is reported to be in very good condition, with minimal rust and no major dents. The biggest drawback is the missing title, although ownership documentation is available. Mechanically, the truck appears solid and roadworthy, making it an attractive classic Ford work truck at an affordable price. Push that. Number 2. 1972 Ford F-100, $4,550, Divide, Colorado. The 1972 Ford F-100 belongs to Ford's respected fifth-generation pickup lineup, known for dependable V8 performance and clean styling. This truck is equipped with a 360 cubic-inch V8, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. With 76,450 miles and a clean title, it presents as a well-kept survivor. The red exterior complements the classic design, while the V8 delivers the torque these trucks became famous for. Number 3. 1980 Chevrolet K10 Custom Deluxe 4x4, $4,995, Cotton, Minnesota. The square-body Chevrolet K10 remains highly desirable among truck enthusiasts, and this 1980 Custom Deluxe provides an affordable entry point. It is powered by a dependable 250 cubic-inch inline-six engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. A lifted suspension, locking front hubs, trailer hitch, and 4-wheel drive add to its appeal. Although described as a project truck, it reportedly runs and drives, offering a solid restoration foundation. Number 4. 1972 Chevrolet C30 Camper Special Long Bed, $5,000, Fridley, Minnesota. This 1972 Chevrolet C30 Camper Special was designed for hauling campers and towing heavy loads. Originally from California, it reportedly has very little rust and retains much of its factory equipment. Powered by a 350 cubic-inch V8 and automatic transmission, it includes factory air conditioning, multiple fuel tanks, and the desirable Camper Special package. With 77,000 miles and a clean title, it represents a rare heavy-duty Chevrolet pickup. Number 5. 1984 Toyota Pickup, $7,800, Palmdale. California Toyota pickups from the early 1980s are known for reliability and durability. This 1984 example has received extensive refurbishment, including a rebuilt engine, new carburetor, distributor, brake components, and fresh paint. It also features a new seat cover and has passed California emissions testing. Despite nearly 197,000 miles, the recent mechanical work makes it a strong candidate for dependable classic truck ownership. Number 6. 1988 Ford F-150 Custom, $8,795, Payette, Idaho. The highlight of this 1988 Ford F-150 is its legendary 4.9-liter fuel-injected inline-six engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. This combination is widely respected for reliability and ease of maintenance. Showing 113,232 original miles, the truck is described as being in excellent condition with numerous new parts. Well-preserved examples like this are becoming increasingly collectible. Number 7. 1970 Ford F-250 Camper Special, $6,990, Divide, Colorado. This 1970 Ford F-250 Camper Special combines classic styling with heavy-duty capability. Powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 and 3-speed automatic transmission, it was built for towing and camper use. The Explorer trim and Camper Special package add desirability, while the blue finish and clean title make it an appealing vintage pickup with practical usability. Number 8. 1974 Chevrolet K10 stepside short bed, $7,500, Fort Collins, Colorado. This lifted 1974 Chevrolet K10 stepside features a freshly built 383 cubic inch stroker V8 and a rebuilt Turbo 400 automatic transmission. It rides on 33-inch tires and sits higher than stock. While some cosmetic rust remains, the upgraded drivetrain is the truck's biggest attraction. Genuine short bed stepside four-wheel drive models continue to be highly sought after. Number 9. 1973 Dodge D100 Uniline stepside, $9,000, East Troy, Wisconsin. The Dodge D100 Uniline is one of the most distinctive truck designs of the early 70s, and this stepside example remains largely original. It is powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 paired with a 3-speed column shift manual transmission. The truck reportedly runs and drives well, features upgraded wheels and tires, and retains its original wooden bed floor. Minor rust is noted, but overall condition appears impressive. Number 10. 1997 Ford F-150 4.6 V8 4x4, $700, Issaquah, Washington. This 1997 Ford F-150 is powered by a 4.6-liter V8 and shows 360,000 miles. It has several mechanical and cosmetic issues, including oil leaks, electrical concerns, and possible cooling system problems. However, the clean title, working transmission, newer brakes, and low asking price make it a potential budget project or parts truck. Number 11, 1937 Ford pickup, $17,500, Eagle, Wisconsin. This well-preserved 1937 Ford pickup is one of the most historically significant vehicles on the list. Powered by a period-correct 1936 Ford flathead V8 and manual transmission, it has received extensive restoration work. Recent upgrades include new wiring, interior components, clutch, fuel tank, radiator, and exhaust parts. Complete ownership history further enhances its appeal to collectors. Number 12. 1978 GMC Sierra short bed 4x4, $9,000. Fort Collins, Colorado. Square body GMC trucks continue to grow in popularity, and this 1978 Sierra short bed four-wheel drive is a strong example. Powered by a 400 cubic inch V8, turbo 400 transmission, and NP203 transfer case, it offers excellent capability. Features include a 4-inch lift, dual fuel tanks, factory bucket seats, center console, and original wheels. The seller describes it as a turnkey truck requiring no mechanical work. Number 13. 1971 Dodge D100 Adventurer Package, $8,000. Shoreline, Washington. This rust-free 1971 Dodge D100 Adventurer stands out for its desirable trim package and well-preserved condition. Powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 and 3-speed automatic transmission, it reportedly runs and drives very well. Factory air conditioning, adventurer trim, rally wheels, and performance upgrades add to its appeal. Rust-free Dodge trucks from this era are increasingly difficult to find. Number 14. 1960 Chevrolet Apache, $10,000. Tahlequah, Oklahoma. The 1960 Chevrolet Apache is part of Chevrolet's iconic CK series and features styling that bridges the 1950s and 1960s truck eras. This example is powered by a 6-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission. Showing 74,000 miles, it is described as being in good condition and running well. Apache models remain popular among collectors because of their styling and mechanical simplicity. Number 15. 1978 Dodge Short Bed Pickup, $1,500. Boulder, Colorado. This 1978 Dodge Short Bed Pickup offers an affordable project opportunity. Powered by Chrysler's durable slant-6 engine and automatic transmission, it retains a powertrain known for longevity. The truck runs, but has charging system issues, despite receiving a new alternator and carburetor. Interior restoration is needed, but the short bed configuration and low price make it an interesting project candidate.